Hey guys, Tate from Florida here. I'm out at the St. Pete College Seminole campus in Seminole, Florida, and I'm gonna check out this natural habitat park that they've built out here. They've made some really good use of the land that they actually couldn't really build any more buildings or anything on. So let's go check this out. We've got a nice pavilion here. And as you can see, the campus is behind me. So let's check it out. This is open every day of the week, from dusk to dawn, and then specialized hours on the weekends. Let me back up here real quick. When you first walk in here, they tell you a little bit about some of the things you could see in the park. And there's a little map of the park. Now, this is not a very large trail, but it is pretty scenic. So you can see they couldn't build anything out here, so I'm sure this was a project for one of the departments in the classes in the school, and they came out here and built the boardwalk. There's all kinds of wildlife, birds. Came through here before and I saw a small gator and a big turtle, big water turtle. I would think this would be a neat place for the students to come take a break during classes during the week. And there is a little floating dock out here which is currently locked up. See some birds sitting out at the end out there. And once you get past the water, you kind of come into the woods here. And then along the way also they have these scannable things that will tell you about what you're standing in front of, like this laurel oak here. So they have those scattered throughout the boardwalk. There's another one. It's called Red Bay. So there is a couple little ends here. This is not a, it's a one-way thing here, so be aware of that. But it's not that far in if you need to get out for any reason. And once again, there's some more signs here about some of the things that you could see here. Actually, these are all pictures that we're taking here in the park. Isn't that interesting? And then basically this is the end of the boardwalk, and you have to turn around and go back out. But there's another trail off to the side of this when you first come in, so I'm going to go back and look at that and see where that goes. I think that might go around the little lake here you can see in the center of the screen now. I think it goes around that, but we're going to go find out.